Westolift Electric Patient Lift. Usage Guidelines. Step on the central foot brake to fix the machine. Put the user's feet on the pedals. Rest the user's calves on the knee pad. The user should hold the armrests tightly with the arms, and hold the metal handrail. Adjust the width of the armrests to fit the user's body type. How to connect the safety belt correctly. The safety belt should be buckled above the armrests. Remote control operation. Press the left button to lift upward and right button to lower down. It can also be operated by the buttons on the electric lift. Release the foot brakes. Move the user to the bathroom. After aligning with the toilet, step on the brake. Use the remote control to slowly lower the user. More convenient to clean after using the toilet. Multiple application scenarios. Can easily connect with wheelchairs, dining chairs, bath stools, sofas, etc. Usage and precautions. If there is an emergency during the lifting process, press the emergency stop button. Then the lift will be powered off and stop, and it can be used normally again after the button is reset. Charge the machine in time when the power is low. Insert the power cord connector first, and then connect the power. When the red light is on, it is charging. To avoid any damages, do not directly wash the lift with water. Before using, please make sure you have read and understood the instructions for using the electric patient lift.